Hey everyone, good afternoon. Here to tell you a little bit about my drink of choice today. It is vintage seltzer, original. I wanted more bubbles because the one that I normally buy is like not as seltzery, if that makes sense. Like it doesn't have as many bubbles. Not that it's flat, but I feel like this is like bursting with bubbles. So I wanted more of that carbonated drink taste today. So that's why I picked up the vintage seltzer. It's delicious. I just got the regular one. Sometimes, I mean, I know water like quenches your thirst, and that's probably what I usually just drink like water and coffee, and that's like what I drink daily. But I wanted to switch it up today, and I know soda is horrible for you, so soda I just have once in a blue. So I really wanted some seltzer. I usually like if I'm at work and I'm like on the road, I'll just pack out my car with like some snacks and drinks, and usually I'll just go with water. But today I wanted the seltzer, so. Vintage seltzer has been around a really long time. This is the original, sodium free and calorie free. Got the big container for myself. You could also get this in cans, and you could buy the 12 pack, which will save you like time and money, because if you buy the big pack, of course, you know, you could store it and you won't have to keep running back and forth to the store to get more. So this is the 33.8 ounces, 1 quart, 1 liter. It's K on here. I think that K is for kosher. I just drank like a little bit of it. I didn't finish it yet, but this should be good for like an entire day to get me through. Well, hopefully I got to start drinking more liquids, so hopefully I'm able to finish this entire thing today. But yeah, I really like this on its own, just nice and chilled, cold in a glass with ice, or just like have it nice and cold and just right out of the bottle, because I know I'm the only one drinking out of it. So the 1 liter bottle is perfect for that. Sometimes if I want, I'll put like some fruit in it, like fresh fruit, lemon, lime, even berries maybe, and kind of like let it sit overnight. I didn't do that today, but that's a good option. I love seltzer with like a drop of cranberry juice too, so sometimes you could do that, and that goes really well with it. And because this is nice, so nice and bubbly, this of course goes good with vodka if you want to make like an adult drink with it, or a martini. It's sodium free. Let's go to the nutrition facts on the back. Serving size is 8 ounces, 240 milliliters, 4 servings per container, 0 grams of total fat, 0 calories, 0 milligrams of sodium, 0 grams of total carbohydrate, 0 grams of sugars, 0 grams of protein, not a significant source of calories from fat, saturated fat, trans fat, cholesterol, dietary fiber, vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, and iron. Ingredients are just carbonated water, manufactured for Cott Beverages Incorporated, Tampa, Florida. If you have any questions or comments, that's the number you could call. The copyright is 2012, Cott Beverages Incorporated. All rights reserved. Barcode on the back. IA, I don't know what that is. Is it bad? I don't know what that stands for. 5-cent refunds. CA, California, cash refund. Connecticut, Maine, Massachusetts, New York, Oregon, Vermont, 5 cents. So this tells you like the cash back refund from when you go to recycle it. I just usually just recycle it in my recycling bin, or of course you could reuse it for something else if you wanted as well. It does not expire until January 18th, 2019. So beginning of next year, plenty of time to finish these by, even if you get like a big thing of them. Easy screw off top, the white plastic bottle. With the white plastic top. Just screw it off, screw it back on. I just love the taste of it. I love the amount of bubbles that this has. Like I said, this, if I want a lot of bubbles, something really carbonated, then this is definitely what I go for, as opposed to the many other seltzer brands on the market. And sometimes I'll get a lemon lime one, but I really just I prefer to flavor it myself if I wanted to. So I don't always have seltzer. So, you know, I switch it up once in a while, but one of my friends, like, all she drinks is seltzer, and this is the one she always goes for. So it's just the regular original vintage seltzer, been around for a really long time. If you guys haven't tried it and you like seltzer, I definitely recommend going for it. My only downside with this one is, even if it's like not shaken up, I feel like you have to be careful when you open it, because like I've opened it before and it's like kind of exploded on me. So just keep that in mind. Try not to shake it at all. But because like I said, it is really, really bubbly, but it's delicious. I love it. And thirst quenching. So I hope you guys try out Vintage Seltzer Original, and I hope you love it. Thanks for watching the video, guys.